Nasal no more. How to ditch the nasal sound and transform your voice.
Vocal Image Podcasts. Everything you want to know about the human voice.
Nasal sound refers to a voice that sounds like it's coming through the nose rather than through the mouth. It can be caused by a variety of factors, including physical abnormalities such as deviated septum or allergies, as well as improper speech habits. One reason why we have nasal sound is that the nasal cavity plays a role in resonating sound. When air passes through the nasal cavity, it vibrates and adds resonance to the voice. If too much air is passing through the nasal cavity, it can result in a nasal sound. There are no psychological reasons for having a nasal voice, but some people may feel self-conscious or insecure about it. It's important to remember that everyone's voice is unique, and there is no right or wrong way for a voice to sound. It may be open, it may be clenched. How other people perceive a nasal voice can vary. Some may find it annoying or unpleasant, while others may not notice or even like it. It's important to focus on developing a healthy and expressive voice rather than worrying too much about how others perceive it. To work on reducing nasal sound, it's important to first identify the cause. However, in many cases, nasal sound can be improved through speech therapy and vocal exercises. Join our vocal exercises in our app. These exercises can help strengthen the muscles used in speech, improve breath control, and teach proper vocal resonance. There are some celebrities with a nasal sound. For example, Fran Drescher, best known for her role on the TV show The Nanny. Drescher has a distinctive nasal voice that has become a trademark of her comedic style. Edie Falco, known for her role on TV shows such as The Sopranos and Nurse Jackie. Falco has a slightly nasal quality to her voice that adds to her unique and recognizable sound. And number 3 goes Marge Simpson. While not a real person, Marge Simpson from the animated TV show The Simpsons has a famously nasal voice that has become a beloved part of the pop culture. Overall, while nasal sound may be perceived differently by different people, it's important to focus on developing a healthy and expressive voice rather than trying to conform to a certain ideal. With practice and dedication, it's possible to improve vocal quality and reduce nasal sound. Our application provides effective vocal exercises to help you reduce nasal sound and improve overall vocal quality. Say goodbye to feeling insecure about your nasal voice and hello to a more confident and expressive vocal image.